Hey, what's up guys, Auto Fanatics. So this is gonna be a follow-up video for all the Alfa Romeo people that watched the video on the water coming into the cabin. Now, if you go watch that video, what I was talking about is that all of this area was covered in ice and snow. It clogged the drain below this cavity here. And as I washed the car with the car running, it had the flapper motor open and all the water just pooled right into the cabin. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. There's no issues. The car's been out in the rain several times and I washed it several times. I'm gonna show you guys how the front cowl is going to divert the water, and you're going to see for yourself that if that drain is clogged, or if you have your car running when you're washing your car or going through a car wash, that is going to be an issue where you're going to get water in the car possibly. So we're going to grab the hose. So you can see where the water's going, okay? So by design, you see how it's pulling up and trying to go down through the cowl. Now look at it on the passenger side. That's the trouble spot. That's what I wanted to show you guys in this follow-up video. So it's coming down here. Okay, so you guys can see that in real time as far as what's going on. So that's where the water is being diverted based on the design of the cowl. Now, I definitely think it could be better. You're gonna see that it's gonna fall into the cavity as it pulls up. All right, you see right there? It's pulling up. Okay, so the moral of this story is never wash the car with the car running. Always make sure that this is clear. And throughout a snowstorm, usually when we have a bad storm, the wind is gonna blow. So let me just show you guys something quick. You have this entire cavity over here and it's all exposed and open. So all the snow, if you have 40, 50 mile an hour winds through a blizzard, all of it's gonna get tucked in with ice all down through here. And when you pop the hood, all throughout here is gonna be covered with ice and snow. And if you don't clear it away, it's gonna melt, go down into there, freeze your drain hole, and that's it. So let's just open up the passenger side car. You guys can see there's no drips, there's no water, everything's perfectly dry. So when I had to pull this car apart, if you guys watched that video, the entire interior on the passenger side had to get gutted. All the carpets had to come out, the seat had to come out. Now back here, in the back of the car, there was water almost an inch high. Now, how do I know it was that high? Is because there's a wiring harness that runs right along here. It's covered in like a fabric loom. It was completely saturated and soaked with water. So being that the floor is tilted and driving the car, all the water with gravity pushed it all to the back. So it was like a puddle back here. This whole section of carpet came out, the foam came out, everything's been dried out, everything's fine. There's no electrical problems, and that's pretty much good to go. So like I said, I just wanted to share an updated video with you guys. This is just an update as far as what went on. There really is no remedy or fix to the problem. The problem is don't ever wash the car when there's ice in the cowl, and don't ever wash the car with the car running. If you do, make sure you hit the button over here and select it to M to make sure that that flapper valve, that little flap on the HVAC motor is closed. Otherwise, you're gonna have a good chance of getting water into the cowl and it's gonna all pour out right from under there. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more Alfa Romeo content, and I'll see you guys in the next video real soon. And please subscribe, and also watch all my other Alfa Romeo content in the description video. I'll have links for everything there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video soon.